Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sonam Singh and this is my YouTube channel. It's Sona. Please do consider subscribing my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further updates. Basically in this video I will be giving you a review of a ring light that I have purchased from Amazon, and the most important factor will be of this video is how I bought absolutely free ring light from Amazon. You imagine of buying a ring light or something that you want to purchase for yourself for absolutely free, and you all know that the cost of ring light is not very basic like 400 to 500. It minimally I think it came in 1000 or more than that. So I have bought this for absolutely free. So if you want to know that how it got for absolutely free from Amazon, stay tuned. In this video I will also be reviewing it, and in the last end of my video I will be telling you and opening the logic and the trick that you can also use for buy free things from Amazon. I will link the ring light in the description. In case if you want it, you can go and check out. Without any further delay, let's get started. So let's start from introduction of this ring light. So basically this ring light is from the brand Generic, and obviously it is made in India. It's basically 18-inch LED selfie ring light, and it contains various light tones. For example, cool tone, this is mixed type of tone, and this is warm tone. So for this video I am using a warm tone. Now let's move toward the application of the ring light. So the very first application of this light is USB port. The USB port that you will be getting from this ring light is very comfortable to use. This port can be used with multiple devices such as mobile charger, the host of your laptop or a computer, which will give you a benefit of using this ring light anywhere at any time freely. Second most basic application of this ring light is you can use it anywhere for any purpose, like for shooting your makeup videos, YouTube videos, going live on any platform, and many more. The best thing that I like for this ring light is very portable and it is very lightweight. If you are traveling somewhere and going somewhere, and if you want to keep this ring light, it is very easiest to take it because it comes very handy. All the stands and accessories that comes with this ring light can be packed easily in a small carry bag. Just forget about heavy studio equipments because you will be getting every necessary items that you need for portraits, photography, videos, anything that you need in a carrying bag. This portable ring light tripod stand can be extended from 15 inches to 50 inches. This tripod stand can be adjusted to any height in just a second. It is short enough to stand on table and long enough as per your height. Now let me tell you the basic settings of the light that comes from this. This is a controller remote button that you will be getting, and it contains 4 switches. This is positive, that is plus sign. This is color changer button. This is on and off, and this is negative, that is you can decrease the intensity of the light. So if this is the light and if I want to decrease the intensity of the light, I will just press this minus button. Like you can see here the changes. The light is automatically decreasing and you can see the natural lighting that is in my room, and if you want to increase this you can just press the positive button. Now you can see the difference between the intensities of the lights. Now move towards the color tuning. This is the button, it contains 2 arrows. This is the normal mixed warm tone. I have changed it to warm tone. So this is kind of yellowish light, and this is kind of cool light which comes in little bit of blue tone, and this is the natural lighting. This is the turn on and off button, so if you will press it, the ring light will be shut down. This is shut. Let me open. Yeah, it is opened. So now you can see the basic difference of using a ring light in my video that I am shooting with the light, because light is, I think, the most important factor which demonstrate and illustrate your video more and more. Now here comes the most important part of the video, that is how I get this for absolutely free. So just take your phone, you just have to open your Amazon. Like here I have opened my Amazon and I have linked my bank account from Amazon Pay. You just have to go to Amazon Pay and you will get an option for adding your bank account. When you will add it, two options will appear here, that is send money and scan. So there is an offer on send money and scan also, that if you send at least minimum of 1 rupees to any other Amazon Pay bank account member, like you are the Amazon Pay holder and another one is also using Amazon Pay and had linked his or her bank account on Amazon Pay, you just have to send minimum 1 rupees to him or her or the opposite side. I have sent 1 rupees from send money option to someone and I have got a cashback. You can get cashback at least 3 rupees, 15 rupees and maximum to 50 rupees, 100 rupees, and I have collected all this cashback from 1 month, and you can see that I have collected maximum more than 1000 rupees. So yeah, this is the main trick that I have used for buying my ring light, because if you have to buy anything, you just think of it from a month or sometime before. So I need a ring light and I don't have that much of money to spend, and I know my parents will not allow for buying me this, so I use this trick. I just sent 1 rupees to someone else and he also then sent these money to my bank account as a refund, and in the same way he also gets the cashback and I also gets the cashback. So depositing all the cashback money, I just bought this light. So you are neither wasting a single rupees and you are getting a light which is exactly a free thing, because you don't have to do nothing, you neither have to invest anything nor you have to do a lots of work. So if you are getting this much of money in just few seconds, there is no problem with it. So yeah, this is it, and this is the trick that I have used for purchasing my ring light and I am quite happy with it. So I will keep on doing this as much as I can for collecting the cashbacks, and will buy next item or things for myself. So this is the trick that you can also use and buy free things from Amazon. So this is it for today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the little bell icon for getting the latest notification of my videos to you all. And do follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description. Just go and check out my Instagram and follow me there also. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.